Hello students, welcome back to my channel. Here I teach basic concept behind any math problem and build strong math foundation for students. In this video we will prove the most interesting identity, which is a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. For this, let us draw a square of side a. Now let's take a point b here and remaining portion will be a minus b, and this side also let's take a point b and remaining portion will be a minus b. Let's form another small square having sides b and b. So in the diagram we can see we have two squares, one square having sides a and a, which is bigger square, and area is a square, and smaller square having sides b and b and area will be b square. We have to find out difference between a square and b square. So from the diagram we can say if we subtract area of this small square from bigger square, we will get the area of this portion, which is what we have to find out. Let's divide this into different rectangle. It is rectangle 1 and rectangle 2. So we can say difference between a square and b square will be addition of these two rectangle. This side will be a, so the area of rectangle 1 will be a minus b into a. Plus this side will be b, so the area of rectangle 2 will be a minus b into b. We can take out common term a minus b from this equation, a minus b, and we will be left with a plus b, and we can also write it as a plus b into a minus b. This is how we can prove this identity a square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. In the coming videos we will see the application of this identity. So that's it for the today's session. If you have any doubt regarding this session, you can ask me on comment section. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing it. Thank you. Difference.